Hello everyone, welcome back to the last vlog of our trip to Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, KL with our friends. In today's vlog, I've compiled what we ate in the last 36 hours of our trip, ranging from Japanese to cafes to dim sum and also drinking spots. I want to put it out there that none of these mentions are sponsored. This is Enoshima Japanese restaurant. We wanted to chill and have some drinks nearby, and Enoshima happens to be at the ground floor of the building where our Airbnb was. Serves authentic Japanese food at reasonable prices.
I don't know what is this actually.
I think it should be liver.
Yeah.
You see it's not for hard, it's not hard one.
Yes.
Too high.
Yes. You are vicious. You are vicious. But I think you will
Tomorrow I'm okay with it. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So that when we just never drop. Yeah. You can see my eyes, right? Can see my eyes, right? Me too. Wow, you can totally imagine the yeah.
I would say that the food, especially their tamago, really reminds me of a homely Japanese meal. The flavors were great, and a hot sake which we ordered made the night even better.
Nobody is. I say to y'all first, there's only 2 more chicken wings. 2 more chicken.
Dance.
It's on camera already. I think I'm the redest I've seen.
You look very red, but you look very red.
Yeah.
Comparison.
No, I'm not red at all. Like my cousin.
We bought Maggi noodles. After the meal, we just had to have some comforting supper as a nightcap. So we went to the My News outlet, which was also at the ground floor of our Airbnb, and bought cup noodles and sandwiches to munch on while we watched What If on the TV in the common area. The next morning, we headed to Oriental Landmark, which is a Cantonese restaurant located at Intermark Mall. Mr. P's father and second brother joined us for this meal. In fact, this restaurant was introduced by them to us. We ordered so much food and wiped everything clean at the end of the day. The place serves good quality dim sum. If you have dim sum cravings, this is the place to go to in KL.
Running hearts keep breaking. I keep writing songs about things that are out of my control, but I pretend they're not, and then wonder why the outcome's not what I planned for.
Oh no! My dad one sentence show triple star.
I must grow up, please.
I swear, baby, I'm not the one that's crazy. You say that I'm too picky, but there's too much on my plate. I've never been the one to spend.
Yeah, you can buy it. I thought you paid $10 only, but it was actually legit.
He's going for this. There he is, doing his hair. Quick cut. See the difference in just now and now. How's your kombucha?
Actually, it tastes like 煎茶 with a little bit of sour tinge.
How was your haircut?
Feel like a king's man.
Oh, but you're only a duke.
Yeah, I'm only a freaking dude.
So how was your haircut?
That's alright.
Are you satisfied?
Well, for 25 RM, okay, I think it's fine lah. Mine was like 20 plus sing.
Cause you're rich.
I'm not. Shut up. Why do you have to? I'm not rich.
At night, we headed over to the Chinatown area to check out some drinking spots. The first was a bar called PS 150 because it's located at 150 Petaling Street. The bar is housed in a pre-war shop lot. The bar space is divided into 3 seating areas that bookmark the 3 distinct eras in the history of cocktails. There is an opium den with intimate booths perfect for a date night. And when you walk further in, there is an outdoor courtyard that is also the airwell section of the building. And further in, you will reach the main bar where the magic unfolds. The cocktail list is divided into 5 eras, reflecting the evolution of the art of cocktails: vintage, classic, tiki, disco, and contemporary. However, because none of the cocktails on menu caught my eye, I requested for a whiskey-based one, and they gave me a different menu with just 2 drinks listed on it. I really liked the vibe of this bar, but because it was like a mini enclave, it got a bit crowded and loud towards the end of the night, so we decided to leave after finishing our drinks. The next bar we hopped into is called Attic Bar. It was just a short walk away from PS 150. When we first entered through the door, it was confusing because the stairs led up to a hostel. The hostel takes up 2 stories of the building, and in order to get to the attic bar, you have to climb up winding stairs to get to the 3rd floor of the building. I would say that this bar has a different vibe from that of PS 150. It's definitely a chill out area that you can hop into with a group of friends. There is an outdoor rooftop area, but because the weather was already so warm, we chose to sit indoors.
Jon Snow,
Yes.
and Jungle Bird, and this, I forgot what is it called already. And yours is a Scarlet something.
Johans.
Scarlett Johansson.
Scarlett Johansson. Yes.
Ice, 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 ice.
Ice, man. Ice. The flower green one or not?
How's yours?
It's fruity. That's all.
Yours is Jon Snow. How does it taste like?
I kind of like it. It's like spiked Milo.
Jon Snow.
And yours is?
Mine is a birdie drink. Jungle Bird man.
Actually, the thing is,
I haven't even drink it.
You chose you haven't drink. Can you drink first? How does it taste like?
Very interesting.
The group of us had bought this bottle of whiskey for Mr. P's father because he picked up the tab at Oriental landmark dim sum place. Tima is Malaysia's first award-winning and locally produced whiskey. As we prepared to check out of Humble Home Airbnb, we cracked open this new bottle and it was surprisingly good. Before we boarded our bus back to Singapore, we went for a VCR cafe located at Bukit Bintang. It was my second time at this cafe, but a first for Bino and Jeanette. We each ordered their big breakfast set, and the portions were ginormous. My friend who is using the phone. We are entering Berjaya Times Square.
Why am I doing that again?
Your shirt looks tight.
I blame the dryer. I blame the dryer. Okay?
You
When
go back and weigh yourself, then we'll know.
Yeah.
Hello guys. So it's our last travel day already. The rest of them are in the washroom. But yeah, it's our last day in KL. We're gonna take the bus back in about an hour's time. 12:45. It's 11:45 now. So we are in Berjaya Times Square and we're gonna walk around, do any last minute shopping, buying any stuff, and then we'll go off. Hopefully there's no jam today and we'll get home safely and smoothly. We're having
First seat, come on. You always...
Thai milk
觉得这个
tea.
等你有味。
Your verdict?
I think if they cut back a bit of the sugar, right, it'll be like... But it's 7 now.
7.
Yeah.
Come from you.
This is very sweet.
But okay.
Good eh?
Yeah. You drank already?
Yeah. Waiting for the bus to go home. How do you feel about this trip?
Pretty good. 讲了一下。
Like so fake eh?
What? What was fake?
So Julian, do you enjoy your trip?
Yes.
On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the best.
9?
Oh, 9?
Yeah. Yeah. There's always room for improvement.
Yeah. So how about you? A point 10, what's your score?
Since Jeanette gave 9, I will give 9 too. And the reason is because, yeah, it's a fun trip, right? Like, you cover a lot of places, you did a lot of things, yet you don't feel overly rushed.
Always digging nose eh. It's not like 我要故意去拍的嘞。